How to turn off personalized news content on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off personalized news content on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then just click this one and then click here, settings icon, and then go down until you find here this one, data collection, and click on it. And as you see here, you can find the personalized content in your news feed. Click on it, and as you see now, personalized news content has been turned off. And that's how to turn off personalized news content on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe. See you in the next video.